Hey friends, if you wish to delete files or folders using command prompt in Windows, then please watch this video. Now one may ask, why would I want to delete files and folders using command prompt? Because unlike the usual delete button, the right click delete, the command prompt doesn't have as many restrictions. Even if the name is very long, you might not be able to delete it from here, but you can delete it from command prompt. So how do we do this? Now, first of all, for a file, the command is del space /f space /a space the file path. Now, how do we find the file path? Here's the easiest method. Press the Windows key and the R button together. Make sure that the field is empty. Pull the file to the run window, and now it gives you the path between two apostrophes. So ignore the apostrophes and then copy everything else. Okay, and I will replace it here, and now I will copy this command line, search for command prompt, click on run as administrator, paste it here, hit enter, and it will delete it. Okay, then the second one is for folders. The command is rs space /s and then the folder path. So we have a folder here. Let us check if it helps. Clear the run window, pull the folder here, and then copy this path. Okay, and then replace it here in the command line, and then rs space /s space the path, and then you paste it here and hit enter. It will ask, are you sure or not? Yes, I am sure, and then click enter, and the folder is gone. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.